All right, how would you like to add an official Google AI certificate to your resume without spending a single penny? Well, stick around because over the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to do it step by step. Let's jump right in.
Yep, you heard me right. This isn't some third-party thing. We're talking about a genuine certificate straight from Google. And the best part, for now at least, it is 100% free. This is one of those opportunities that you just know won't be around forever. So let's get into what you'll actually be earning.
So what's the certificate all about? It's for Gemini for Google Workspace. Now, if you're not familiar, Gemini is Google's super smart AI assistant. This certificate basically proves you're a pro at using it inside the tools you already use every day, like Docs, Sheets, and Gmail. And listen, even though it's kind of geared towards educators, these skins, they're golden for pretty much anyone in any field.
Okay, I get it. There are a million online courses out there. So why should this one jump to the top of your list right now? Well, it really boils down to two things: timing and incredible value.
So here's the deal on why you need to move fast. First and foremost, it is totally free right now. But all the signs are pointing to this being a limited time thing that's probably going to turn into a paid course down the road. So grabbing it now doesn't just save you cash. It puts you way ahead of the curve, showing you've already mastered these crucial AI tools.
All right, ready to make it happen? Let's talk step one, registration. And don't worry, this is super quick and totally painless. It'll probably only take you a couple of minutes. Okay, so all you've got to do is follow the link we've got for you, sign in with your Google account, and then you'll see a button that says register for an exam. Give that a click. From there, you just fill out a super simple form, your name, your school or university, and then just pick whether you're in primary, secondary, or higher ed. Seriously, that's it. Okay, once you're all registered, it's time for the main event, the exam itself. But before you dive in and hit that start button, let's go over exactly what you need to know. Now, listen up, because this is a really important tip. If you're trying to do this on your phone, you might run into a snag. The exam just doesn't work right in the normal mobile browser. But don't worry, there's a super easy fix. Just switch your phone's browser to desktop mode. That'll load the full website, and you'll be able to take the exam no problem at all. And don't stress about this being some huge, grueling test. It's not at all. We're only talking about 37 questions. And get this, you get 2 full hours to finish them. I mean, that is plenty of time to really think through your answers. You're not going to feel rushed at all. Okay, and here is a fantastic little tip for you. If you get stuck on a question, you can actually use an AI tool, like Gemini itself, to help you figure out the answer. It's almost like an open book test, which is pretty cool, right? They're basically encouraging you to use the very tool you're being tested on. So once you've gone through the questions and passed the exam, we get to the best part, the most satisfying moment of all, claiming that official certificate. And you don't have to wait for weeks or even days. The second you pass, boom, your official certificate is generated and ready for you to download as a PDF. It's instant proof of your awesome new skills. So you've earned it. Now what? Well, go ahead and get that certificate up on your LinkedIn profile right away. And hey, if this was helpful, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on more guides like this. And please, share this with your friends, your colleagues, anyone who could use a free Google certificate. Just make sure they do it before this amazing offer is gone. Look, getting this certificate isn't just about finishing something. It's about starting something new. It's a launchpad. You now have a verified skill from one of the biggest names in the entire tech world. So really, there's only one question left to ask yourself. What are you going to learn next?